In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error code 45 in Windows. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Just head to your Windows, then type in CMD. After that, just go ahead, click on Run as Administrator, and then just wait for the command prompt window to open up for you. And then go ahead to the description below. Hit the command that you will find below, and then paste it here. As you can see, hit enter, and then wait for the scan to take place. So after the scan ends, just go ahead, copy the second command, which will be also in the description below. So as you can see, go ahead, copy it, and then paste it in the command prompt again. As you can see right now. After that, just give it some time. And then after you are all done with the commands, just go ahead, click out of CMD, and head over to your search menu, right-click on it as you can see. Then go ahead to Device Manager at the top, click on it. Then wait for the Device Manager to open up for you. After it opens, just give it a moment to load. And then go ahead, click on the arrow next to Disk Drivers. Click on it and then click on Update Driver. Then click Search for Automatically. And if you don't have any Windows updates installed, you should install them right away, as you can see right now. So go ahead and install all of the Windows updates that you have available. As you can see, I should also have Windows updates not installed. So when you find them, just go ahead, click on Install All. And after you install them, just go ahead, restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.